Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be bleaching my hair. I am trying to do like an ombre kind of look. What I'm using is this quick blue bleach. I've never used this one before. I usually use a different one, but I didn't have enough of it. It's underneath my sink in the other restroom, so I'm not going to get that right now. I got 40 volume developer. And I know you're probably not supposed to use that much, it'll damage your hair, but this is what I do all the time, or each time I have done my hair, and it's come out fine. Like, yes, the ends are damaged a little bit, but that's fine. And then to tone my hair, I usually use the Wella T18 toner. This time I got the 14, just because of the samples that they had. The 14 looked more of like a platinum color than the T18. And I usually start off by putting coconut oil in my hair, all throughout my hair, but I don't have that, so I'm just gonna go straight in with this. I don't do measurements. It's pretty much, I try to do the same amount of scoops of bleach with the same amount of scoops of the developer. So I'm gonna brush my hair out and start teasing sections, and then start bleaching my hair.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay you guys, this has been in for about 45 minutes. I think you can see how much it's lightened up. It looks pretty light. I'm gonna go ahead and get in the shower, wash all of this off, and then we'll come out and tone my hair. Okay, I just washed off the bleach, and it looks like this right now. It's pretty orange, and I'm gonna use the Wella T14 toner. I'm going to do one part of this, one part of the developer. I'm using 2 bottles. And I'm just using the brush to mix it together. I'm just going to use my hands. I'm not going to use gloves. And I'm going to put this all over my hair like shampoo.
To see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
first part of the video when I did my hair, when I bleached my hair the first time, that I usually put coconut oil. I lather it in my hair before I bleach it because I feel like it helps the hair not break as easily and get so damaged, and it keeps your hair soft after you wash everything out. Well, I didn't have it the first time, and I went out and I got some coconut oil, so that's what I have in here. I just melted it a little bit, and now I'm gonna put that all over my hair, and then we'll start bleaching it. I'm just gonna use my hands. I don't know, I feel like it's better when I just use my hands. And I also think that I've noticed when I've bleached my hair and I've used the coconut oil, I feel like it helps, I guess, activate the bleach because it doesn't take as long to lift in my hair. I don't know if, you know, everybody's different, but I feel like with my hair, it lifts much faster than when I don't use the coconut oil. So, like I said, that could just be me. I don't know, that's just what I feel. So I like using it. I'm gonna bleach the same way I did the last time. I don't really measure too much, just as long as the bleach with the developer is the right consistency that I'm looking for. So I'm just gonna fast forward through everything since you already saw the first time I bleached it. Okay, so I waited about 45 minutes, washed off the bleach. Now I'm going back in with the toner. Okay, so now that I have the toner in, I'm gonna leave it in for about 20 minutes and then I'll rinse my hair out again. So I'll see you guys a little bit later. Okay guys, so this is how my hair turned out. This is the color. I did put a little bit of texture spray in it just right now, which I probably shouldn't have. Since it makes my hair wet, it makes the color a little bit darker, but I like the way it came out. Yes, the ends are pretty dry. I haven't put any coconut oil in my hair since. There hasn't been a lot of fallout or other really damaged areas, I guess. But this is usually how it turns out. In the video, I showed myself bleaching my hair twice. I ended up waiting a week in between to go ahead and bleach my hair the second time, and then I ended up waiting a following week and bleaching my hair a third time. This was a total of 3 times that I ended up bleaching my hair. I do like the way it came out, and the only reason I bleached it the third time was because I wanted the blonde a little bit higher. So it wasn't necessarily to get the bottom brighter, because I was satisfied with the way it looked already. I just wanted it a little higher. It ended up being bleached 3 times, and this is the final look. This is the way I bleach my hair, and I'm really satisfied with the way that it came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already, and hit the little bell button down below. That way you can be notified each time I upload a video. And please give this video a thumbs up because it really does help my channel grow. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.